You should watch this video in full HD because this is the second method of installing Flare VM. So many guys might face issues in first method, and I'll be showing you a second method. So what you have to do is I'll be adding the link to this page, and there is a guide available with screenshots. So if you have any problem, you can follow the guide. So what you have to do is you have to go and download the zip file from the following website. So first one is uh, flarevm.info, and then second website, these are actually the same website or GitHub profile and GitHub repository actually. So you can just go to the GitHub repository of FireEye, and the repository will be Flare VM. So I'll be adding all the links in description. Don't worry, you just have to go to this page, click on clone and download, clone or download. So you have to click on clone or download and use then click on download zip. So this will basically download the Flare installation zip file. Now the file will be zip file, but you can open it and copy all the files, copy the folder to C drive. And why I'm copying the folder to C drive is because many people might face some issues while installing, so it's better to copy it in C drive and then follow my instructions, because in case you are new, you can follow my instructions. In case you already know how to use command prompt or PowerShell, you can do the same. So in search, in startup, search for PowerShell, run it as admin. Make sure you are running it at as admin, and over here you have to go to the folder where the files are. So right now we are in C drive. Dir basically shows all the directory or all the files in the folder. So we'll go into the folder, and again dir. So we have all the files that are inside Flare folder. Now the command is set execution policy to unrestricted. So we have to enter the command, press Y, hit enter, and it is done. Now you have to type /install.ps1. so this is basically opening up the file, and it will tell you to run it. So just press R to run it. Just watch this video in 1080p. I was unable to zoom in or zoom out to show you all the things in detail, but if you watch it in full HD, you will see what I'm doing and how everything is going on. So it is asking me for the password, and the password will be on the wallpaper of the virtual box. So I'll just enter the password that is shown over here, and as you can see, the installation has started, and it is quite simple. And in case you get some errors over here, in case you see some red lines, then don't worry, just follow the process again. Restart your virtual machine and start following the process once again. So you have to restart your computer, your not the actual computer but the virtual machine, and then you have to actually follow the process once again. So I hope Flare VM will be installed. In the next video we'll talk about some settings, and this method was the second method to install Flare VM.